You are sitting outside at the edge of a crystal clear lake on a warm summer day. There are a variety of animals you may be watching, but something magnificent catches your eye. A bright, metallic green and blue dragonfly is flashing in and out of your line of vision, flying almost too fast to follow with your eyes. Its beauty and flying maneuvers are impressive, but make no mistake, these insects are more than just a pretty face. Dragonflies and their cousins, damselflies, serve a vital ecological role as predators to many of the insects we call pests. People already know this and recite folklore of the hundreds, nay thousands, of mosquitoes a single dragonfly can eat in a day. Though this idea is appealing, it is likely a result of the proverbial game of telephone, because in truth, we have a limited knowledge of the diet of dragonflies and damselflies. They are indeed predators that eat other insects, but they are indiscriminate feeders, essentially eating any flying insect that gets in their way. But why should we care what a dragonfly eats? Large-scale agricultural practices in the United States and across the globe are becoming less and less sustainable. Pesticides to control plant-eating insects that greedily munch on the fruits and vegetables that feed us and our animal companions are applied all too often. One solution to this problem is to allow natural enemies, or organisms that reduce pest populations, like dragonflies and damselflies, to eat these agricultural pests. But first, we need to figure out what precisely our dragonfly friends are eating. A novel methodology for determining diet lets us peek at the dragonfly's dinner plate with relative ease. It involves an unlikely bodily material: feces. The process of collecting feces from a dragonfly is simple. Unlike some insects that produce liquid waste, dragonfly feces come in a nicely packaged membrane-bound pellet. With a quick sweep, we can collect and freeze their digested meals for later DNA sequencing. Several recent studies have looked at dragonfly diet using this method, but they haven't made species-specific connections between diet composition and habitat. Using field surveys, I've determined there are 21 dragonfly and 6 damselfly species found in various crops on 4 separate farms in Maryland. I also captured 6 species of dragonflies that produced anywhere from 16 to 35 fecal pellets, with an average of 20, in a 24-hour period. We are currently extracting DNA from these samples to compare to the GenBank database. My contribution to this growing body of research will illustrate the diet composition of several common and widespread dragonflies, such as the common whitetail and widow skimmer, after they have foraged on farms. With this knowledge, we can encourage and implement management practices for farmers to better attract our friendly flying allies.